y'all trying to get approved for a credit card, then the Credit One credit card is a good credit card. Now, I'm saying a Credit One credit card, but they got so many different credit cards. It's so many credit cards you can get approved for. If you guys have a bankruptcy, then there's still a option for you. If you messed up your credit before, there's still an option for you, because this credit card almost accepts anyone. You just have to have at least a 550 credit score minimum. Now look right here, somebody got approved for $1,500. Now they will send out pre-qualifications all the time in the mail, so check your mail, because you may got some pre-qualification from them before. But you can also just pre-qualify on their website, and they can pre-qualify you without that hard inquiry. So they're gonna be able to let you know yes or no on whether or not they can give you the credit card without actually giving you that hard inquiry. And don't forget, you guys, if you're getting hard inquiries, that's lowering your credit score. So see if they can give you a credit card, and if they say that they can give you a credit card, then go ahead and accept that offer. If you want to read everything, see what's going on, but accept that offer, but know you're going to get a hard inquiry, and they're going to pull your Experian credit report and look at your Experian credit score after you accept it. But definitely see if they can pre-qualify for it. If they can pre-qualify you for this credit card. I cannot talk today, you guys, but it's all right. It's all right. Now the limit for this credit card starts at $300. Now, like I said too, it's different amounts out there you guys can actually get. I've seen people start with limits of $300, even if they had, like I said, a bankruptcy. So some people, they file bankruptcy and the next month they got this credit card. So I always tell people, definitely look into Credit One if you had bankruptcy, because it's a great credit card for you all to start. Now there are so many credit cards, like I said, that you can actually get. Now some of them, they may ask for income verification, so beware of that, but you don't know that until you actually get an approval and all that. So see if you could pre-qualify first. Don't be scared about that, but just know in the back of your mind that they do that. Now, if this is your first time watching my videos, my name is Rickita. Make sure you guys like this video. I talk about real estate and I talk about credit all the time, and I also tell you guys, like, I don't like annual fees. But this credit card, it is a great credit card for you to get in with. So sometimes they won't charge an annual fee, but this credit card most likely is going to charge about a $39 annual fee. So definitely check to see if you're going to get an annual fee. But if you can't get any other credit card, then it still can be a great credit card that you guys can actually go with. Now, sometimes they give out random increases. You can also ask for an increase on your credit line. And then sometimes also they may say, hey, we're looking into giving you another credit card. Would you like to get another credit card? If you want another credit card, you can definitely get another credit card with them, but try to see if you can, like, if you have an annual fee right now, try to see if you can get one where they're not going to give you another credit card with the annual fee. Try to get one without the annual fee, because credit card companies, that's how they make money. Part of how they make money too, that annual fee that they're charging you. So if you can try to get another credit card without an annual fee, then perfect. Now the link for this credit card is always in the description in the comments, so definitely go ahead and check it out. And I always write a blog on all these credit cards, and you can see that down below also in the comments. If you all are looking to build your credit and you're looking to build your credit fast, then this is a great credit card, because they're going to report to all 3 credit bureaus. So they're reporting to all 3 credit bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. That's going to help you boost your credit score up. But if you actually do it the wrong way, it can lower your credit score. When I say do it the wrong way, if you spend too much money on a credit card, you get a $300 credit card and you spend $250 on it, and you let them report that, it's going to drop your credit score so much. I usually tell people don't spend more than 5% on a credit card, or don't let them report more than 5%. So I always tell people, try to pay your full statement balance. If you pay your full statement balance, that way you don't get charged any interest. You don't have to worry about them actually reporting a high balance to your credit reports. Now, I have seen people do this too, and this commits utilization. I have seen people, because I've done it in the past too. I think, oh, it's fine. I paid off my full balance and I paid it off 5 days early, but then I go and spend some money on it. And when you go and spend money on it, usually the credit card company is not going to report until you get your actual statement, which is usually like 3 days after your due date. Any money that you spend before then, it's most likely going to report as a new balance. So I always tell people, wait until 3 days after your due date and then you spend your credit card again, because you don't want to report a balance. The key is just to make sure that they report a low balance to the credit bureau, so it look like your utilization is reported low, and it don't look like you're desperate and you're maxing out credit cards. If they see that you've been maxing out your credit card and things like that, that can ruin your chances of getting another credit card, because they think that you're going to max out the next credit card and that you're going through some type of financial situation. So you don't want them to think like that about you. Now, if you had the Credit One card, let us know what's going on. Like, what was your annual fee? Did they offer you an increase? You know, how was your experience with the Credit One card? Let us know where you're at with your credit, because sometimes people be giving suggestions because they watch my videos so much, and then I can also give you suggestions too. And sometimes you may ask, okay, but what about this? What about that? And we can answer those in the comments. And I appreciate those people that answer others in the comments. I really appreciate it, especially if you're saying the right thing. So keep that up, you guys. I really love that. But let us know, like, if you have this card, so that others can go and read it, and then they'll know if the card is good for them. Now, Credit One is one of those cards I tell people to start off with, because like, it reports to all 3 credit bureaus. They're going to pull your Experian credit report. It's easier to get bankruptcies removed from like Equifax and Experian. So I like that. And that means that you'll have a greater chance of getting these credit cards. And the reason why you can get like bankruptcies and accounts removed from your credit reports in general is because they're reporting it inaccurate, and we have rights, the FCRA rights, to get this stuff removed. Now, you do want to talk to an attorney, figure out what's your rights and all that, but you know, it's easier for people to get this credit card. And I usually give people like the dispute letters. It's all inside my exclusive membership, the dispute letters, and I'll tell you the other credit cards that you guys can get approved for, other tricks that you guys can use to make sure that you're having a really nice credit report, so that when you apply for these credit cards, you can actually get approved. Now, there's so many other credit cards out there that can approve you for they can actually pre-qualify you for a credit card. It's over 40 of them, and I have them on my website. So definitely check those credit cards out, because not only can you pre-qualify for the Credit One bank credit cards, but it's so many other ones you can pre-qualify for. Maybe you like, Rickita, I don't want an annual fee. It's other credit cards that won't give you an annual fee. Like, I can never get it. Let me not say that. I can never get a credit card like this, like with an annual fee, because I've built my credit to a place where I don't need to have annual fees. So I always tell people, try to have 4 credit cards. Try to build your credit effectively. Check out my video on the best way to build your credit fast and the best credit cards to build your credit fast, because that's going to help guide you to figure out how you have to structure your credit report so that you can actually build your credit score effectively. Like I said, my exclusive membership is definitely around, and I actually hire people to answer questions for you all. Especially if you're outside the exclusive membership, you'll get a lot of your questions answered. And I always make new videos for those people that subscribe to me, and they leave a comment, just in case you guys need like one-on-one attention on different tricks and stuff like that. But definitely check out these other videos, because YouTube think that you may be interested in these videos, and shoot, they think you're interested, and they should know, because you're here watching this video now. But hopefully this was helpful. Let me know if you got approved, and I'll see you guys in the next video.